Hi, this is Tiffany with High Seas Cruising with another edition of Tips from Tiffany coming to you from Liberty of the Seas. So we found some really great products that we thought you might be interested in. We did find these roll-up microfiber towels that fit in this little bag. The bag does have holes in it, so you can air it out a little bit. But these are a lot easier to pack, take with you on your excursions than a normal size towel. They'll fit great in your backpack. You can take them up on deck with you. We took them up on deck with us, put them in our little bag. We had 2 of them in there, plus all of our other supplies. So they're really convenient, really small, and like I said, they're microfiber, so they're really soft as well. We also found these little bands instead of the clips to put on to hold them to your chair, which is nice and convenient because you can just take it, roll it up in there, and put it right back in the bag with you, so you have all of your stuff in one handy spot. So the towel is a good size towel. We checked it compared to a normal size towel, and it's actually a little bit longer than the normal size towel. So this is the towel, nice and big. It does come in different sizes and in different colors, so you can pick your favorite color. And like I said, they just fold right back up. There's even a little snap here that you can roll it up and snap it all together so that you have it all together with you. So once you get it all back in your bag, I packed a Ziploc bag. That way you put all of this into the Ziploc bag once you actually get it into the roll, and then just put it in your Ziploc bag. Both of them actually fit in there. Zip it up, and this way you don't get everything in your backpack wet. Your extra clothes and anything else that you might have in there, papers and stuff like that. So one of the things that you want to do with the microfiber towel is you want to pat yourself dry instead of rub, because it soaks the water up easier when you pat instead of rub. This here is the towel pan box. It does have a 4 count in there. These do come in different colors as well. So if this is something that you would be interested in, or just easy to pack and take with you, like I said, we grab the bands and roll them up with the towels in the little bag. That way, for convenience, you don't forget the bands. I like the bands better than the clips. They work a little bit better, and they hold the towels down easier on the chairs. So if you think this is a product you would like, the link will be in our description down below. A lot easier to carry 2 towels and 2 bands than one regular size towel, because one regular size towel is the same as 2 of these. Hope you have enjoyed today's video. If you have, give me a thumbs up. Hope you have a great day. And like always, we'll see you out on the high seas.